For more than 40 years, Mölnlycke has produced high-quality sterile gloves, which are trusted to deliver the best possible protection for products, processes, and operators in the life sciences sector. The Mölnlycke commitment to trust and quality comes through in everything we do, including in our commitment to continuously improve biogel gloves and the manufacturing processes through which they are made. We focus on being responsive to the changing needs of our customers. To do this, we invest in research and development, in materials, process improvements, stringent quality testing and hygiene standards. Along with our customers, we also care deeply about sustainability and the well-being of people and the planet. With these characteristics in mind, we want to welcome you to Mölnlycke's state-of-the-art biogel manufacturing facility and Center of Excellence for glove production in Kulim High-Tech Park in Malaysia. Join us to see biogel glove manufacturing in action. The assortment of biogel gloves includes several options made from either natural rubber latex or synthetic rubber, which provides gloving options for users with allergies to natural rubber latex. For over 40 years, we have been a powder-free manufacturing facility, and to make the glove easy to don, we use a thin hydrogel polymer coating. Going all the way back to the beginning of the biogel manufacturing story, we need to talk about sourcing and harvesting. We source raw natural rubber latex from selected rubber tree plantations in Thailand. Once the natural rubber latex is processed, it's transported to our manufacturing sites, where it's checked and compounded in preparation for dipping and drying. Although the sourcing process differs between raw materials for natural and synthetic latex, quality control remains at the highest standards. Biogel gloves are produced using a continuous automated dipping line for consistently high-quality results. Each biogel glove then undergoes a series of processes, including curing, beading, and leaching, in order to create the finished product. Biogel gloves also go through more washing cycles than industry standard to keep residual proteins, chemicals, particle count, and endotoxins to the lowest possible levels. All biogel gloves are made in our own factories. This gives us end-to-end control over the entire glove value chain, ensuring the highest quality standards are applied throughout and enabling traceability. All biogel gloves undergo rigorous testing to ensure that our gloves comply with or exceed international standards. All elements in the end-to-end process are tested: the environment of the manufacturing site, the raw materials, the presence of endotoxins, the gloves themselves, and the packaging. Every batch is subject to visual inspection and physical properties tests, such as tensile strength, force at break, and microbiology tests. Gloves undergo a variety of tests to ensure they are free from holes and micro defects. One required test, the AQL, or acceptable quality level, ensures that the gloves meet a high quality level coming out of the packaging. Another test, which Mölnlycke conducts in addition to the mandatory tests, is the so-called Qmax testing. It subjects every single biogel glove manufactured to an air inflation test to ensure that gloves are free from micro holes that would not typically be detected in a visual inspection. As part of this process, defect gloves are being scrapped, sorted out, and will not reach our customers. After successful testing, biogel gloves are packaged, which is another critical element in ensuring glove quality. Strict hygiene standards are always maintained, particularly throughout the packing facilities, with emphasis on preventing product contamination. Here, staff use an air shower before entering the controlled environment of a clean room. They also follow a strict dress code protocol. Comprehensive and continuous training programs ensure that all Mölnlycke employees maintain the expected high standards. Our training includes thorough introduction training for our new factory staff. New staff train in both the classroom and in a simulated work environment before they are allowed into the actual workspace. This mandatory training is repeated annually to maintain our high-quality standards and ensure that quality is always top of mind for employees. The full manufacturing and packaging process would not be complete until the packaged gloves are sterilized to a sterility assurance level of 10 to the -6. We do glove sterilization at an adjacent facility. Sterilizing locally results in improved efficiency, allowing us to ship faster to customers and reduce our carbon footprint. While manufacturing is, by design, a rigid process, outside the factory, Mölnlycke actively works to innovate and improve. Backed by 40 years of experience and a reputation for quality and durability, our commitment to delivering more for customers, taking care of hands and staying aligned with advances in surgical practice and safety means we are always investing in research and development. One such example for Biogel is the world's first patented and effective indicator system, used in double gloving practice to show visibly when an outer glove has been breached. Facilitating the visual detection of over 90% of glove breaches, the system features a dark-colored underglove and a light-colored overglove for optimal visual contrast, indicating breaches quickly and clearly when in contact with fluids like a disinfectant, indicating breaches quickly and clearly. If the outer glove is breached, fluid flows between the two gloves and a dark patch alerts the wearer to the glove breach. Other examples include being the first complete range of powder-free gloves and introducing the Biogel Hydrogel inner coating for easy donning. We believe that hands deserve better, and we are dedicated to delivering on that promise through research, design, quality assurance, and innovation. Innovation isn't only in the gloves themselves, though. Innovation also makes Mölnlycke's glove manufacturing process more sustainable, in alignment with United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. We strive to be a corporate citizen that has a positive impact on both people and the planet. We work towards this through optimizing energy use, reducing our greenhouse gas emissions and resource use, and our initiatives to maintain a safe, healthy, engaging, and inclusive working environment. Our greenhouse gas emission reduction targets have been independently validated by Science Based Targets initiative. One commitment is to reduce absolute Scope 1 and 2 greenhouse gas emissions by 50% by 2030 from a 2021 base year. We are over halfway towards this target. We have completed a life cycle assessment on Biogel gloves. This provides a clear focus for further innovation to continually reduce Mölnlycke's environmental impact. We create employment for our 100% local Malaysian operational workforce from diverse backgrounds, and we actively participate in global and local community support initiatives. Working actively to bring you the best possible protection for your hands, we're in relentless pursuit of improvements and innovations that deliver quality, safety, and comfort to Biogel glove users. In doing so, we aim to deliver positive employee experiences for employees who make Biogel gloves and, by extension, be an organization committed to delivering measurably more sustainable conditions from an environmental, social, and governance, or ESG, perspective. We believe that your hands deserve better, and our investment in state-of-the-art manufacturing, R&D, and a sustainable future are ways in which we are hands-on in delivering on that promise.